So in this video, I'm going to be sharing, okay? I'm going to be sharing the reasons, okay, why you have tried almost everything and you're not making money online, okay? So you have tried the different methods, you have watched several videos, you have tried the several ideas that have been shared on how to make money online, and still you are making nothing, okay? From digital marketing to drop shipping to digital markets to web designing up to affiliate marketing, you're not making it. So what is the definition of you being successful? And do you know that for you to be successful, there is some energy that has to be put? So you should keep that in mind as someone who is a creative, as someone who is looking at improving his life for the what? For the better. Okay? So if at all I'm to if at all I'm to ask you why you are not making money, the only reason that is stopping you from making money is you do not understand how to navigate around, how to understand the different reasons why you are not making money. The first one and the only one I would call the reason that is stopping you from making it is consistency. Because once you now start managing social media platforms for different people, then after you tell them, I'm done, I no longer run that company, the next day you're into e-commerce websites, then the other one into affiliate marketing, then the other one into virtual what assistance. So you're not stable, okay? So you can do all of them, but what you should do, dedicate specific time for everything, okay? So what is basically affecting you is not being able to be consistent. Because I usually give an example of stock footage. If at all I happen to have 100 pictures and someone has over 1,000 pictures or even more than 4,000 pictures, so it basically means that it is rare for me to have a sale maybe on Monday, okay? But for that person who is basically having over 1,000, okay, images, this person is easier, however much the quality or the poses made by his photos that we are basically downloading online could be wonderful, but yes, could not be wonderful, but he has a lot of stock. So it is really difficult for someone to go through all those 1,000 blogs, and maybe 1,000 images and finds to get one image of his interest. Okay, so always make sure that you are consistent. Okay, stop looking for ways to make money online. Stop looking for the best person to make money with. Hey, that is it basically. So that is my wish. I wish you well. I've shared these. You can be a freelancer, you can do forex trading, you can be a visual assistant, you can do affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and social media management. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out. I happen to create different platforms where you can upload your content, sell it, and you earn your money. One of them is latest latest ugmusic.com, okay, and latest ugmusic.online, okay. So latest ugmusic Okay, so let us use music.online. As you see it, so these two platforms sell music themes and everything that is basically digital. You can sign up and join them. So those are my websites that I happen to create to help us resolve certain ideas. Okay, so that is it. So thank you for watching. I love you. Remember, let us meet in the second video or in the other video. Thank you.